of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters to me. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Oh, hey, oh, you are all that matters. Oh, hey, oh, hey, you are all that matters. Oh, hey, oh, hey, you are all that matters. Oh, hey, oh, hey, you are all that matters.
All that I live for. If I don't have you, if I don't have you, what would I do? If you take the Holy Ghost, what would I become of me if I didn't see your light? What would I be said of me if you didn't hold my hand? Now I've come to realize that you are all I have.
You are all that I am. You are all that matters.
I'll put you in front of my mirror. You're all that matters. You and I, Jesus, you're all that matters.
You are all that matters. Let me just close this trades. This thing is not doing well. Ish.
I'll give them all to you. Is it the name or is it the fame? I'm nothing without you. What would have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? Now I've come to realize
Just a moment, guys. I'm just closing my trades.
you are all that matters to me. You are all that matters to me.
All that matters. Hi guys. I'm sorry for the delay. This laptop is busy twigging here. I was trying to close my trades on Crash 1000 because I see that it's not willing to spike. But otherwise, guys, your boy the big fish, I'm here. I'm not gonna waste time. I'm gonna talk about both topics, right? Most of you want me to talk about both topics, and before we I'm sorry to waste your time to your data, guys. Before we go any further, just tell me where are you watching from. Yeah, tell me where you're watching from. You know how we do it. So today I'm here to talk about Forex. Today I'm not here to talk about emotions. Now I'm talking about the real thing, Forex. Let's discuss the real thing. Otherwise, guys, share where you're watching from. 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 Like I said, I asked on my Telegram channel, I asked, should I talk about fundamentals or technical? They are saying both. They voted both. They voted for both. So yeah, I don't have a choice. Let's just do both and see how we can how far we can push. So fundamentals. Let's see how many fundamentals we have in the house. Northgate, Cape Town, Begasport, Tembisa, Newcastle, KZN. Guy, great. Namibia, Limpopo, Tefluop, Northwest, Poch, Manquin, Swaziland. Okay, guys. Now I appreciate that. Oh, I'm sorry. I blocked the mic. I hope now you guys can hear me. Guys, I was saying. Remember, I said we're gonna talk about. I'm gonna talk about both fundamentals and technicals. Yeah, I noticed. I'm sorry. I noticed that I was actually blocking the mic. Can you confirm if are you able to hear me now? Sekelo Mokopan Limpopo. Oh, okay. Are you able to hear me now? Confirm so that I can continue. Can you hear me now? It's proper now. Lovely. Let's not waste time, guys. Fundamentals. Let's see how many fundamentals traders do we have in the house. Let's see. As you guys are busy commenting, I just want to see those who are doing fundamentals. I'll be honest with you. On my Instagram, the response that I got, majority were saying fundamentals. There was no both. Okay, there was both, but there were not a lot compared to the ones who are saying fundamentals. On my Telegram channel, they voted for both. Majority voted for both. Now, let's discuss fundamentals first, and then we'll move We'll then move to technical, and then we'll try to see how can we mix the two. How can we mix the two? So now, fundamental, guys. What is fundamentals? Fundamentals is well known to be your news releases. Okay, obviously it's your news releases, but when we talk about fundamentals, obviously once we mention fundamentals, in your mind you think about interest rate, you think about GDP, you think about retail sales, you think about unemployment change, you think about NFP, right? Not employment change. You think about NFP. Now, guys, NFP, fundamentals ever since the start of lockdown, it was doing bad. In fact, the first 21 days, it was extremely bad. Fortunately, some of us we are best of both. I had to shift my focus to technical. Try technical. Everything was fine. At that moment, I was busy I was focused on price action. Everything was fine. We are profitable here and there. Try to push consistency, because that's what I always push. Me, I prefer consistent. I always push for consistency. I want to be consistent. I trade to win trades. I don't trade to make money. I trade to win trades. So whatever analysis that I make, I want to win that particular analysis. So fundamentals are doing extremely bad. But what do we do about that? What do we do about that? You need to focus on other things. If I'll give you an advice. If you are comfortable with fundamentals, then you need to find out what kind of fundamentals can actually be profitable during COVID-19 or during lockdown, because there's nothing much. NFP, nothing much is happening there. The NFP that were profitable that I traded was the one for April, May, what was profitable, and June it was profitable as well. As for July, it was disaster. And to be honest with you, I'm predicting the same performance on this coming one. When is it? On the 7th of August, I think. I'm anticipating that we won't have that great movement, So if you are a fundamental trader, what is it that you can trade that can actually assist you to keep going? Because some of us, we live on the market, we make money on the market. If I'm not making anything on the market, it means I don't have any money. So I have to always find ways, unlike someone who's working, they have a salary. Now, when fundamentals are not doing well, they just take break from trading. If I take break from trading, it means I don't have any money. That's the thing. So I always have to find things that are working for me, So now, those who are in fundamental, the only fundamental thing that has been performing and doing well, like I told you, don't be sold a strategy. They say there's a strategy, 3:30, this and this and this. No, guys. 3:30 Nasdaq, it's volatile. It's a given, that one. It's a given fact. It's 3:30 every day. It doesn't matter which day is it. It's not. It doesn't matter. Every during weekdays, 3:30 NAS 100 is very volatile. It's not the only one. I'll give you that only. I'll talk about that only. There's still, I think there are 3. I know 3 pairs that are volatile, that react to fundamentals like crazy. You just need to find a way. How do you make money with that kind of volatility? And at the same time, remember, it's extremely dangerous. So 3:30 NAS 100, it's very volatile. You hear that. Someone is saying, I mostly focus on NAS 100 and gold. Those who are in fundamentals, when they talk about fundamentals, they're referring to your interest rate, NFP. You hear other people are trading gold. They know that from 3:30 to 5 p.m., gold and NAS 100, very volatile. Those are the fundamentals you need to focus on, because that other one that we are used to, nothing is happening there. So how do I know these things? I always say I forever have a learning attitude. When things are not going my way, I always go back to the drawing board. I want to know why. Why is this things happening? That's where I used to, I found out that this and this and this is very volatile. You see, people are, guys, wake up. People are telling you there. Those are some of the things I didn't want to mention. German 30, US 30, very volatile. Those are the kind of fundamentals you need to learn about. They are actually profitable. You just need to be consistent, and you need to know how to attack those, because otherwise, don't be overexcited. NAS 100 is very difficult, very tough. So you can actually lose a lot of money trying to make money. Otherwise, guys, the other thing, I think with fundamentals, we are done. Otherwise, your normal events of fundamentals, interest rate, those things, they are not performing well. It's disaster. I keep checking on them. So let's rather focus on other things. US 30 pays more than NAS 100. I know my guy. It's just that how as people, how we are. As soon as we hear about NAS 100, everyone else, their focus shift to the other side. So some of us, some things we know, is just that we don't want to share. Sometimes it's best you make money when everyone know about those particular things, you know that once they move to the other side or they come join us, we are sorted. We have made enough money from that particular indices, if it's an indices, but that particular pair. The other thing, again, guys, I forgot I wanted to say this. Yeah, definitely. 3:30, you must know what you are doing. Otherwise, come at. But otherwise, guys, now let's talk about technical. Technical can be profitable. It is profitable, and during my in the past 18 months when I was busy learning technical and all that, I realized that at some point it's actually more reliable than fundamentals. Don't get me wrong. Technical, I realized that it's more reliable than fundamental. Technical, you deal with setups. If it's price action setups, you deal with price action setups. The market, in most cases, when it moves, it keeps repeating the same setups, but in different ways. I'll talk about things like your, let's say, bearish engulfing. Once you see a bearish engulfing pattern, you know it's time for the market to fall. You know, so yeah, I keep emphasizing one thing in my videos. More knowledge, invest in knowledge. You will know all these things. It's not that difficult for people to actually know all these things. So if you invest most of your time in this thing, guys, I live a very simple life. I sleep, I wake up, take a bath in the morning, I'm on the market. If I'm going somewhere for a meeting, I'm forever on the market. If I'm not driving, I'm on the market. I spend most of my time on the market. The demo accounts, I always have a demo account on my MT4, my MT5 for practicing purposes. I always learn new things on the market. Those that I hear from you guys, those that I read myself, I keep learning new things. So that's what I'm actually advising you guys to do. When I said I'm taking 50 people under my wing for mentorship, that thing is not really mentorship. And I said I want people who are serious. I want people who are in Forex, but they are not profitable. I'm looking for those. I don't want newbies. I don't want people where I'm going to start from scratch and explain, this is a candlestick, you buy, you do this, take profit, you do this. I don't want that. I just want the information that I have, the strategies that I have to catch spikes, the strategy I use to trade against spikes, the strategies I use for fundamentals. I know the direction of NFP, interest rate, the one under USD interest rate. I know the direction. GBP interest rate, it's always manipulative. That one I would say I'm 50. It's actually 50-50. I make money on it, I lose. Sometimes I get it right, sometimes I get it wrong. So all those things, the people who will be under my wing, those are the people that will be getting this information, you know. But otherwise, guys, knowledge is power. Let's go for knowledge. And as I was saying, technical. What I like about technical is that if you take your time when you analyze, if you analyze from higher time frames, go into lower time frames, and from lower time frames to higher time frames, the chances are you will be a profitable trader because you take well-informed decisions. Even when you let's say you analyze NAS 100, you see on based on H4, you see that it's on an uptrend. However, on M30 or M15, you see a sell opportunity. You know very well that you need to apply time management. Because as much as you see a sell opportunity, this thing, it's on a higher time frame, it's on an uptrend. So if you hold for too long, the chances are when you come back, it will be in a loss. So I'm comfortable with taking well-informed decisions when I'm trading. Well, I'm comfortable with that. In most cases, I'll have my setups. These setups, they tell me that I have to buy NAS 100. I'll still go back to my indicators if I want to go to my indicators, check my indicators and various indicators for that matter. Check. In most cases, particularly the signals that I send to my people. That is why most of them, most of the signals, we always get them right. It's because I take informed decisions. I don't just take a decision based on what there's fake breakouts. There's all those things, sort of things. So you need at least 3 factors to influence your decision. You know that I'm buying because there's on my trend line it's actually on a downtrend, and it's actually on the third touch. Now it's going up, and also you have this you have engulfing where it's actually turning. It's turning. You also have an engulfing bearish. Bullish engulfing. You also have bullish engulfing. You know that for a fact that thing has to go up. It has to go up. So guys, when we trade, let's try by all means to take well-informed decisions. Let's take trading as business. That thing is business. And now I remember what I wanted to tell you guys about fundamentals. We have companies in the country, companies that are let's say for example your Bidvest. We know what Bidvest does. Okay, they do a lot of things, but we know that they are into cars, they are into these things of security, they are into a lot of things. Now there was COVID-19. They shifted to supply of COVID-19 products like your sanitizer, whatever. That you need to have that kind of attitude, guys. If fundamentals are not doing well, shift the focus. Trading as a business. If business is bad for that particular month, if business is bad for 2 months in a row, guys, you need to change how you do things. Try other things, try other options. I know you might hate. You are a technical trader, you hate fundamentals, but if technical is really teaching you bad, why don't you move to fundamentals? At the moment, some of us are experiencing a high level of manipulation by derivative. It's out of order, guys. It's out of order. But let me tell you one thing. I spent the past 5 days working on how do I make money with this manipulation of theirs. I always work with what I have. If I have my systems, if I have my indicators, if my analysis are always manipulated, how do I make money out of that? Because I can't just sit down and say, but they are manipulating. Yes, they are manipulating, but I also have to pay my bills. I need to trade. I need to find ways. How do I make money out of the same manipulation? So I had to go back to the drawing board, read, study things. How can I catch these spikes during the manipulation? And guys, guess what? Within 3 days time, I got it. I got what I was looking for. So let's treat business, let's treat trading as business. This thing is business. This thing is business. It's not gambling, it's business. So, that is that, man. That is that, guys. So, sometimes, let me just go back to fundamentals again. Fundamentals, how most of you trade fundamentals, it's more like a gambling to you guys. A gambling, it's when you go to a machine or go to Meropa Casino, you go there, you buy a voucher for 1,000 rand, you put that voucher in the machine, you keep gambling, hoping that you will make money, and you don't make money. That voucher expires. You need to buy another one. You buy another one. You don't make money. Most of you are trading fundamentals just like that. Guys, let me tell you something. If you were to, when you trade NAS 100, let me just tell you a secret. When you trade NAS 100, particularly the one at 3:30, you put 10,000 rands in your account. Your target is 2,000 rands, which is something very doable. You can sell or buy, just guess, just take a guess. You sell or buy with 0.01. It can reject, go to a loss of 4,000, you keep holding. Guess what? You will close with profit. So now that's not gambling because the account is big. You know that the market, guys, the market moves like this. It moves like this. It might, you can see an opportunity for a sell, you sell, but before it sells, it actually rejects, go up. It goes up before it sells, then comes back to a sell. Hence, we always say every trade start with a red screen for it to turn into a blue screen. So let's be smart, guys. There's some things are just out there, you know, and you guys will go for mentors, looking for strategies, looking for whatever. Mentors, in most cases, we have our own times, we have our own lives. I mean, I can't always babysit you, but you need to go to mentors knowing what you want. You must go to mentors because you have tried everything, you are just not profitable. Most of you, I once had a student whereby they had a lot of information, they didn't know how to use it. When they came to me, I just mentored them in a direction whereby I told them to say, this is how you need to use this information. It will work best for you if you use it this way and this way. And they did exactly that. And guess what? They are doing well. They are doing extremely well, you know. So, otherwise, guys, I'm asking you for a favor. Take screenshot of this live, post it on your share it on your stories, Insta stories, and tag me, and tag the big fish, and tag the big fish, and tag the big fish. Guys, I'm here for you. I'm here to empower you guys. I'm here to boost your guys' confidence. I'm here to boost you guys' morals. I want you to make it out of the market. I want you to make it out of the market. Guys, if that Microsoft company of Bill Gates, it took them 30 years to be what they are today. I mean, you don't even have 3 years in Forex, and you want to give up. Don't give up. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing, good people. Let's keep pushing. That PDF that you passed in Telegram, that technical PDF you passed in Telegram group, powerful. Yeah, it's very powerful. I like it. Let's just, and the other thing, I the link there, I pinned a link for my Telegram channel. Those who are not following me, please follow me. Please subscribe, because I was actually thinking of dropping, if we take the channel to 4K before month end, I might drop another PDF. You know? So, yeah, I think I've discussed both fundamentals and technicals. And, yeah, people are asking me about brokers. Guys, I asked you a favor. Take a screenshot of this live video. Share it on your stories and mention me. Mention the big fish, please, guys. Just as a token of appreciation, please. Pretty please. It's not too much to ask, I know. So, otherwise, guys, as I'm busy, what's the best time on Friday to trade boom and crash? Oh yeah, maybe I must also share that. The best time to trade boom and crash, particularly if you are trading spikes, the best time is from 3 a.m. until 11 a.m. They hardly manipulate there, but from there, the manipulation is out of this world. If those who were trading boom yesterday, the boom was doing extremely well in the morning, but from 12 it kept going down. It broke about 7 if not 8 resistance, support lines. I'm talking about strong support lines, you can imagine. So the best time is between 3 a.m. and 11 a.m. guys. I'm here for you guys. If you I think this upcoming week, I'll give you guys a platform to decide on a topic. You will just tell me whatever that you want me to discuss. Guys, I hate repeating myself. I had a special video explaining why I left. So just go there, watch that video. It's on my Instagram. Stop asking me those things. We are very cool. I said we are cool. You guys are always looking for gossip. Hi, Mugoni. Guys, I asked you for a favor. I said, take screenshot of this live, mention me on your stories. Share on your stories and mention me there. Guys, please, pretty please. I don't have anything to post today. I don't want to post straight. Yeah. Hey man, ba koni ba ba sokodisa. O ka re ba phela le banyana the way ba gossipang ka hona. Hi. Me, I don't do those things. I gossip. I don't do those things. But otherwise, guys, let's have a short Q&A. Ask questions, I will answer. Let's do that for the next 3 minutes. Ask questions, I will answer. So that, because I don't like these long videos, So I want to save the video and focus on my trading. You gave us powerful knowledge, my brother. God bless you. I always do, my guy. I always do. I will ignore them, but I will address them before I ignore them. You must know that if you pela ansele mama hai ba bolela ka batho ba bang, na sa tla di apply ja high moren. Some of us, man, we don't talk about other people. We don't even ask a lot about other people. Your things are your things. My focus is on one thing. This is where my focus is, and my focus will forever be here. This is where my focus is. Nothing will change. This is where my focus is. So, le na ba rata ditaba. Na go focus ke mo marketing. So, lo wena o zama focus on other things, because if you want to know much about Latty-P, you will know much about Latty-P, but it's not like you're gonna get paid for knowing much about Latty-P. So, your questions are here, ne? What time do you trade VIX? It depends. I have to do my weekly analysis for VIX today. Today. In fact, it's monthly analysis, not really weekly. Best broker to use. Hey, brokers, guys, these days, I no longer believe in the best brokers, but there's nothing like that. Brokers are manipulative, all of them. Others, they are not manipulative. You trade, you make money, they don't want to pay you. So brokers have their own problems. The most important thing, let's just make sure that we trade with regulated brokers. I'm having more than 7 PDFs. I don't know how to use them. Share with me, my guy. I'll just go through them when I have time this week, and I'll get back to you as to which one I think it's more powerful and it can be profitable. Just share with me. Hit me up on my DM. I'll share my number. Done with the post. Can you? Yeah, you can make it on Deriv with a $10 account. It's possible. Best to trade VIX according to you. Do you think boom respect boom 500? That thing boom 500. That thing can be out of order. That one, Joe. How much should I put for NAS 100? Whatever that you are willing to lose. On the market, we put money that we are willing to lose. How much money did you have when you started? Give us your broker. I use Lubix 360 for NAS 100. I use Veracity for NAS 100. I use just Forex Pro account for NAS 100. For Forex Pairs, I still use the 3 listed brokers. Indexes, I use Derif. I mean, we only find them good Derif. So yeah. You are my mentor, Gankan. Do you trade range breakouts index? I tried yesterday. I made some profit, but it was on a demo account. I made some profit. One a broiler account, but I think I have a lot of on my plate right now. So, but when I have time, maybe in the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I will try those range breakouts. One of my friends mentioned those to me. How do I get under your wing? Just inbox me, DM me, we'll take it from there. Hey guys, your questions are a lot. How do I join? Those who want my mentorship or signals, DM me, we'll take it from there. My signals goes for $50. If you join today, you join today. If you join tomorrow, you join tomorrow. If you join mid-August, you join mid-August. But what you need to know is that the subscription ends on the 31st of August. It was actually designed to grow people's accounts so that they can afford the $300 mentorship. So yeah. Not that they, when I say fundamentals are bad, I don't mean they go opposite direction. I mean like they don't move. You will just waste your time. You will keep holding, hoping that they will go, and you just keep wasting your time. They blow your account, you lose your money. It's just disaster. So otherwise, guys, from your boy CFO, no, I'm no longer CFO. From your boy the Big Fish, I am out. Let me focus on my trades, guys. I see some opportunity on Crash 1000. But otherwise, guys, I'm out. Sure.